Good morning, December 23rd, 2024.
Good morning, December 23rd, 2020.
All right, just had to make sure my volume works. All right. So, if you remember on Friday, I called out these two. Good morning, Coper. I called out this area here at 572 and then also somewhere around 725. Although that says 726, but it was somewhere around 725. So what we do, we came up, we went above it, and then we rejected. So that leads me to believe that maybe this area here, the 618 of that move down, is still a viable place to go. But we won't know until it happens. So, or actually, won't know until we bust back above here if we do. That's kind of my thinking this morning, right? We're at 582. Obviously, if we get back up into here, we're bullish, but we should be somewhat bullish anyway, even though we're only up 20. We just may close this gap from Sunday, and maybe that's what we're going to do this morning. But we've already came above bull target 2, 1, 2, ripped up, came down. We're playing around here in this area. We've got the bear zone down here, and then CPR very small way down here, I think. Might be big, but 485. Yeah, it's pretty small. So even though we're only up 17 now, and we spent most of our time since midnight below the midnight open. 1, 2, 3 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're definitely below it. So anyway, that's what the hour candles are telling me, right? Obviously, I think what I would do is, if I'm playing this, I'm playing something like this. We get above that, it's long. Do that the blue color. And you move above that, and which is how far? 573. So it's basically 100 points up. That generally will probably mean we're going to go up to that target 3 up here. That's what it tells me. All right, 15 minute. 15 minute. This was a good drop, by the way. Hopefully some of you guys caught that. So hopefully we caught that. We came above VWAP and then dropped back below it. That was a good, nice drop. I picked up a little bit on that. I was actually down 1,400 on a PA and got her all back. So she's a little positive now. But I had some software issues this morning, and a few of my PAs took longs or shorts or something. Anyway, lost 400, so I had to scramble to get out of everything, close everything manually. Still not sure what happened there, but it happens. Okay, so on 15 minute, something like this. I'll just play the wicks for right now. Obviously, we're going to have open, so, but anyway, we should have a little support here. My guess is we come down here and fill this gap. That's what my guess is, right? That would also be a top of CPR. Would be a great place for a bounce. Now, CPR is so small, they could just fly right through it. That's the other option. And then come on down here to the bull zone at 452, which is still 150 points away. So we'll see. I don't know what they're going to give us today. I don't know if this is just going to be a melt up or what. I'm going to play the usuals. Here's the 5 minute. And again, throwing these little trend lines on everything. I really don't like this one, but it is what it is. 2 minute. Nice drop down. That was a beautiful drop. My little indicator down here says, let me see if I could find one. I don't even have any, I don't think, anymore. Yeah, here we go. Everything's pointing down, all 5 of them. So that's why we got solid red here. Again, same thing. I like this one a little better. We got open here in 8 minutes. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I did. And I don't know what else to say. It's going to be an interesting one, I think. Let's see. I'll check real quick on my daily chart on NQ. Yeah, it's a tough one. This could just be a dead cat drop or dead cat bounce, and now we're heading down. I don't know. I think if we drop, if I put a trend line on the daily, on the bottom red wick, and go up against the bodies, I think if we drop through 486, maybe a little lower, 450, let's call it 450. If we drop 450, where's that at? Oh, we already did drop it a little bit. But I think if we come back down again below 450, then I like it. We're in a big 4-hour fair value gap right here. If you can't see it, it's pretty good size. So that was probably from this move up. Yeah. 15 minute. I'm going to put on real quick the 5 minute fair value gaps on here. What did I used to have? Oh, I used to have the 240, but let's put a 5 on here. It might get too noisy and I'll have to take it off. I didn't like that, I'll tell you that. All right, they're in now. Okay, so we got a sell gap up here. That's what we just went into. We're trying to break up into. The top of that is 614. So I wouldn't be surprised if we tag that in 4 minutes. Probably at open. Maybe even come down to the bottom there at 622. This is what I would like to see happen. I'd like to see this and then this. That's what I would like to see. I don't know if we do that, but one could always hope. And then I wouldn't mind coming down and filling that gap. That would be a good one. TLT crossing bullish. The bullish. All right, wealth chart was in the sell mode, still in the sell mode. 599 is the cross point. So, all right, 4 minutes to open. I'll be on the 2-minute chart. Let me turn some things back on. There we go. All right. Okay, got into the buy zone. Okay, PAs, a couple of them will be playing MNQ, a couple will be playing, or some will be playing micros, some will be playing minis on this 2-minute opening range break. Okay, oh, I want this to be this. See what happens here. Huh. I don't know if I like that or not. There we go. All right, let's see what happens at open. Good luck, everybody. Morning, Jason. Income trader, Cove Per. Yep. Yep. Happy holidays. Absolutely. Okay, I might only just take one trade in the initial open. We'll see. Oh, that's why. Okay. That's why. Let's see, 610 to 621, 11 points so far. Okay, about 10 seconds. Got a buy on wealth charts, buy signal. Whoa. Shit. Well, had a little error there. I don't know what the hell happened, but probably going to lose most of my accounts there. Wow. You just got alert of error after error. Wow, wow, wow. That hurt. Well, that was a big owie. My software just flicked out. Yeah. And just started taking trades. I think I blew an account. Fuck you. You son of a bitch. Wow. I better log in. Oh. Yeah, I can't cancel. Yeah, it looks like all my accounts. Son of a bitch. It looks like they're still okay. Whew. Ooh, that was scary. All right, so there's that move up above that trend line on the hour chart. See if it can stay up there. Okay, I'm going to get my apex back up. Wow. Took out my funded or my Take Profit Pro. Gosh damn it. Yeah, I can't log back in. Well, I didn't try to do that. That was a little software glitch. That's what that was. There we go. Wow, that's a bummer. Yep, let's see if I can start making some of that back now. Nope. Got to get above that trend line. Nope. Fuck you. Okay, let me regroup. Come on, stay up there. There we go. Let's go. Minute left on the 5. 15's looking pretty good. I need to look at something here. Let's go to 1 minute. Let's go to 2 minutes. Good morning. Wow, what the hell's going on here? No? Had a little software glitch this morning. Took me out of a couple things. I'm a little flustered right now. pivot. Let's get rid of him. Okay, back to VWAP here. Boy, I got juiced up there. All right, we're just hanging out right below VWAP. See what we're going to do. So far, we've rejected on that trend line. (15-minute). Coming down to its last minute. Yeah. Fuck. This guy was ready for a payout too. I should have put him on micros. I knew it too. At last minute I said, no, this is going to work. All right, I'm going to watch this last minute, see how it plays out. Also got the 15-minute opening range. Right? Should be popping. Or did I already miss that? Nope. 15 and 10 seconds. Coming down to the lows now. Be nice to come down below the 15-minute and then come back and test it, which would be right pretty much on top of the bear or bull target 2. Okay, we just tested the bull target 2. Okay, Gary took Q short. Okay. Come on. Probably didn't like how quick that was. Ah, nope. All right, so we got a retest of that. I'm going to wait and see if it'll hold. Let this 1 minute candle close, and then let's see a move down. Not a very decisive move down. Okay. I'm going to try to lock in 10 here. See if we can get a drop down to below, yep, 73 is good. Got a big 5 minute gap though. $501. There's that big 5 minute gap. See if it fills it. That would come back up to about 607, which is a tall order. Damn it. I should have just stayed in. Good short on the Qs, Gary, I'm guessing. Okay, where's the ES at? All right, as long as ES stays above 59.80, that's what it's holding on to. Drop below 59.80 and probably 59.60. All right, 5 minutes left on this 15. See if we can get some color back, get that short going again. Good good 15-minute short signal. It was. I'm looking for the short right here. Oh, couldn't get out of the way. My target was too close. Below 600. Trying to get 598 again if I can. Well, let's see what happens here. Okay, back up to that entry. 3 minutes left. Don't like that candle one bit. See, we got a 1 minute gap up at the top by VWAP. Right like that. Way up here, but other than that. Okay, it's looking pretty bullish. If that candle closes green, Looks like it's going to close some green. Okay, we filled that 1 minute gap up there. 1 minute left. I don't know, second time we've tried to come down here to previous day's lows, Friday's lows, and we bounced each time. That cap is now filled. Get rid of that. Got a buy indicator on wealth chart, but I don't like it. It's not in the buy zone, it's in the sell zone. Liquidity just sucks. I mean, this thing's bouncing all over. This morning when I was trading, I mean, I had my order in, it took the order, and the next print was 5 points above my order. ATR is up at 27 on the 1 minute. I'm just waiting for a trade. And I'm bummed out that I lost my TakeProfitTrader. I don't know what happened. For me, I can't go long until we get above 652 or short below 580. Okay, we just closed or went below 580. Look at them buy it up. Wow. Sorry guys, my little software glitch has got me a little rattled still. my body's like freaking. Okay, if we drop back below, damn it. I kind of like that, but I didn't really like it. Okay, see what happens. Took it a little bit farther down. I'd like to get well, something down the road. My ultimate target would be about 501. Come on, baby, drop it down. Let's go. Let's drop 570. That would be a good number. Let's go. Let's do 573, then 570. There you go. There you go. Come on, stay down. All right, let's drop 560 now. I got to claw my way back, get this guy down. Okay, below 573. Come on, baby. Let's drop 560 now. $565 first. You can do it. There we go. Then 560. All right, $200 clips at a time, I guess. Okay, so the big payoff is around 489. Let's see if we can get in one and hold it. So 489. Oh, damn you. See, 15-minute. gonna have to drop the low here. See if we can get down to the bear zone, about 535. There you go. Go. Got to drop that. Okay, pretty good win so far. Should have known we were just going to drop straight through that baby. Yeah, so far. Okay. There's our finish line. Pretty close. 85. Let's see what they do after that. All right, 81, nice little playback. And this could get ugly. Oh, come on, keep going, baby. Come. Oh, damn you. That could be it. I was hoping we were going to come down here to 453. That would have been pretty cool. Okay. ES is... Nice. All right, watch for this bounce to continue. We close the gap. Come on. Yep. Watch this final 1 minute candle on the 5. Keep an eye on the 15. The 15's down to a minute also. I'll take it long if we get back above 542. Well, after the next candle. "13 seconds. Don't go get me yet. I don't want to be taken. Okay, I'll keep this one tight. If we get up there. Come on, push it up. I got to get at least 10 points up. Okay, we got a gap fill up at 572, so that potentially could be the first target. If we get up that high, I'll put my stop at 565. If we get up to 570. Come on, one more time. Do it. There you go. Come on, push it up there. Come on. So 61. Come on. They just need a little bit of room. Oh, you sucker fish. Okay, I got to watch for a quick reversal here too. Damn it. Didn't like that. Usually I like to stay above that prior wick. Come on, get up there above 72. Nope. Or above, sorry, 549. Kept saying 72. I don't know why, because that's where we're trying to get to. I like to stay above 549. When it doesn't stay above, it's not a good sign. Yep, I don't like that at all. This could just continue on down. Okay. Should have got more out of that then. All right. What do I have here? This is what I have. So maybe 2 minute. It's just ugly. Okay, holding. Right now everything's still pointing down. So 2 minutes solid red. Wealth charts. We're in the red there. We're in the sell zone. Let's see what put my fibs up. Let's see where we're at. Came up to the 50, dropped down. Now they're going to try to bring it up. Or drop it, one of the two. Okay, where do I like a short? Well, 5 minute, below here, below 521. I probably would go below the bear zone. If we drop this bear zone, it's a short. $15-minute, just an ugly little candle. Inside, somewhat. Just ugly. Okay, so far we're holding. It's a little bit easier to see on the 1 minute. Came down, hit the 50%, holding the 50. See, we're holding the 50 on the way down and holding the 50 on the way up. What is that, 21? Yeah. I'm so bummed about that TakeProfitTrader. Man, that thing bothers me. Mainly because I did it nice and slow. It took me 8 days to pass it. And then freaking blow it. All software related. It wasn't me even. That's the bad part. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of that for right now. I'll bring her back in a little while. I want to see where I'm at. Well, we're holding. That's about all I can tell you. Just garbage. No movement. No direction. Okay, I'm watching the short here. Potential short. You know, I could probably do something like that. In 2 minutes. Don't like it, but on the 5 minute, 524 is a good number. I don't know if I want to wait that long though. Because if we drop back into the bear zone, we could see a nice little spike down. Like that. I want to try, oh, come on. I want to try to get to break even as soon as I can, just to protect this account. Oh, you fuck. Get back in. Don't let it take you out. $5.35 would have been better. Damn it, just can't get it. Down at the bottom, he's sucker fish. You. Come on. What was that number? 35.18. Shit. Just so quick, I can't play that. Oh, don't want to do that. That was supposed to be a sell stop. Ooh. Yeah, he was down at 3 or 350 or 4 or something like that. All right, that's not a bad call. They're just not going to drop it. I think I'll save everything for later. I'll just wait for some clear direction because we're not getting anything right here. Other than we're getting a wick to the downside. All right, there goes IB. It could be that's what they were waiting for. IB's down here at 477. Almost a 200-point range. And we're at the 70.2. Okay. All right, NQ's down 12. ES is down 18. It's 59.84, so it got back above the 59.80 level. Oh, those son of a bitches. ES can stay above that, can shoot up again. The Dow's down 280. I'm just going to sit on my hands for a few. So we filled the gap. 25 minutes left on this hour. That low was 78, 478. So almost 75 points up, 60 something probably. Without doing the math. We're getting some buyers in here by Delta. Look at Delta's up almost 3,400. Our indicators pointing all down still. We got just a 5-minute choppy mess here. So I think just sit back and relax and wait. Potential reversal candle here. If this, what do we got left? 10 minutes left, so we could do this. This could actually push up and reverse up, or even just give a modest green candle would be fine too. I don't remember what that was. Oh, that was that guy. Just waiting. This was a gap up area. So that line was the gap up from Sunday. Okay, that's a potentially bullish move there. $67 should have been the entry. 68. Only thing that makes me a little nervous on taking a long there is just that this is sloping down. We came above it and closed. I think if we come down below that, we could probably get 20 to 40 points. At least close the gap down to the 1 minute at 554, potentially. Or the 5 minute gap closed at 567. The 567 kind of scares me a little bit. But we may hold up. It may just take off. All right, above that 15 minute wick, 588. I don't know, I just typed in copper, and depending on which strike you want, January 2025, HGF5. Yeah, Gary, that's what I was wondering. That's what I kept looking at to see if that was a bear flag, but maybe on bigger time frame. No, kind of tough to see. Yeah, we dropped back below, damn it, because it took that short at 75. Son of a bitch. I was there too. 75, 61, nothing great. See if we come down to 555. Usually what does this, it gives you 40 points or so. I don't know if there's 40 points to be had, but I'm guessing if we come down across through that trend line, it might get a little explosive. Let's see, what is that? 54. I can take 70 to 54. Oh, missed it. Oh, missed it again, damn it. I got a little bit. I was at 73. That would have been 20 points, just like I was thinking. Okay, if we drop this trend line, see if we come back down. We might fill this gap up here to close to 61. There we go. And now if we come back down, I'd take it short here. Okay. Come on, drop. Drop down, baby. Come on. There we go. You got it. Keep going. A little more. I needed a little bit more to lock in. Come on, give me 40 again. Down to 40. Nope. Sucker fish. Wow, just so fast. Come on, let's get down the top of the bear zone. Damn you. 35. Michael, I hope you took that 1 minute weighted moving average trade. I was up at 73. So far, 33 points. Usually I say 40 points. That might be it right there. All right, 5 minute. Nope, no gap to close. No nothing. Just wandering. We're just wandering. Gonna go without me? Sucker. Everything's still pointed to the down, so the Momo should be to the down. Yeah, that's probably the problem. But when I see everything red, I mean the momentum should be to the downside. But we're not getting it. This might be what we get today. This is normally where I would go short right here, but man. Did you get it, Jason? Did you figure out how to set it up? Yeah. I'm going to have to go practice, or not practice, but do playback and find out why the software did what it did. Gosh damn it. Just wearing you out. Wearing me out. I'm done. All right. We're at ATRs at 19:20, at 20 for the 1 minute, 44 on the 5 minute. And I just am giving money away, so I want to kind of stop. I don't know what you want help with. I mean, if you just, are you in wealth charts right now? If you are, just click on the chart here. Look at, just click on the chart, and I just typed in copper, right? Clicked over on futures, and here you go. If that's what you're trying to trade. January. Oh, that's ugly. And maybe you got to play, I don't know, play farther out. I don't trade copper, so. You'll have to find, let me see. I got one more option here. What is, here we go. Futures. Let me see if I can find something. Oh, copier. What are you asking? How do you set up the trade copper? Oh, the copier. Fuck. at the top, you got a home page, and then you have an Apex page. Go to the Apex Apex multi-use. Do you have that? Okay, I'm watching for long above 562. Okay, so click on the Apex multi-use. If you click over there on the watch video tutorial, there's a video tutorial on it. But basically, you have to have your leader account. So I have mine at 01. And then you, to the right of that is symbol. Put on your symbol, right? So NQH5 if that's what you're trading. And pretty much that's it. Then you got to select accounts, select the check marks, the box under by accounts. I select all mine. Now it'll only do the copier on this page. So if you go to a main screen, then you cannot show you what? Well, if there was a way I could look at, you put in your test account, number 1 there, NQH5 here, right? You're going to select that under futures. And then right here, you got this button here. Click on that and it'll select all your accounts. Now, this will only work on this screen. I probably don't want to do that, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so it'll only see now they're all going, and it'll only go on this screen. It's the only time. I can't go to like my main screen here, and even though it gives me the charts there, you know, the buy and sell, it won't copy all 20 accounts. You with me? So this is the only screen you can do it to copy all 20 accounts. What didn't come up for you? Did it work? Okay, so just all the accounts just flatten now. Well, that was a good short. So that one went from 91, which is bull target 1, down to the bear zone. Yeah, run through that tutorial. It helped me. That's the way I did it. I ran through the tutorial. and then, okay, got to have your leader account, your account name, or your symbol, and then turn all your accounts on. And it'll only work on that one main screen. Or not main screen, but the one screen you're on with the trade copier on it. It took me a little while to figure that out because I kept trying to get it on my chart, and just wouldn't copy. It'd only do one count at a time. Huh. Yeah, it's, in my opinion, it's a little buggy when there's a lot of volume. It wouldn't work. Or what it did is actually it said I hit this 30% rule on like 17 of the 20 accounts, which I didn't even get close to it. Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's I don't know. You know, it doesn't. I wouldn't, if I was trading, I wouldn't use it. I mean, I wouldn't use it right now. I think they've still got some bugs to work out. All right, we're going to go back up there, and we got it back above the 1 minute weighted, which is getting to be bullish. I'm getting a little buy signal on wealth charts. Oh, come on. All right, that would have been my buy signal right there. Why am I trading this shit? All right, see if we can get above 600 and hold. Coming up to the 15-minute opening range low, right by VWAP there. See, we closed all, looks like we pretty much closed all the gaps coming up. Well, there's one at the bottom there. Yep, 91 would have been a good long. me see, 90, 91, so 94 might be a place to go long. It's about 3 points off the 3 points off the 5-minute gap fill. Took one off there. I'm going to get rid of all these lines and shit. My pivot player. There we go. A little cleaner. Okay, see if we can come back above this trend line. Remember that trend line I drew this morning? That's where I would like to get long, or, you know, hopefully we can get and push it on up. All right, trying to get above VWAP. Why am I don't know why my PAs are in short. Everything else I got is long. What the fuck is going on today? That's weird. crazy. Still like the long. I'm just hoping we can get there. Not like that though. Look at that. Wow. Good fake out. So that 5 minutes not coming down. I guess if you like it long, it'd be better to pick it up down here. Okay, I'm done. That's it for me, boys. I can't get anything rolling. Yeah. I should have just stopped trading when I got all flustered when my fucking software just wigged out. I mean, it probably took 40 trades in a freaking 1 minute cycle. Yeah, it makes me want to go on tilt. But I'm going to refrain. I'll go on tilt on a evaluation. And I'm not happy about my freaking TakeProfitTrader. That really bums me. Because I had 230 invested in it and have the software just take me out like that. When I babied that baby for 8 days, getting them to pass, and thought, okay, I'll just take this one nice and slow. Just continue doing what I'm doing. What do you mean by that? I will now for my setup and load up. Oh, man. See, the long's the way to go. I just can't stay in it. I guess my 10-point stop loss is just not big enough. Oh, wait. 522 on Qs. Yeah, you know, I had these Qs, the Q calls at $1.55. They're now $2.35. I couldn't hang in there. Come on, get back to VWAP. I'll take it along right there. One more time. All right, close enough. Let's see if we can get up to IB. Target of 522. All right, another $3 up. That's pretty good. Gary, you think that'll do that today? Is that what you're thinking? There is no momentum and follow through. It should bounce here to the upside. Yeah. Yeah, I got an eval that I got in at 206, but even that one's going to take it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to stay in it. But I agree. No Momo. And it's tough when you're a momentum player and there's no Momo. It's a pretty tough day. The bad thing is it shouldn't have been a tough day. All right, maybe it was a tough day. Nice move down, move up, move down. We're in chop zone. I'd like it to cruise on up, explode up. There we go. I'll show you, this is what I'm going to play. Tell you what. See if I can change this up. Okay, so there's that. Okay. Okay, we just came down and closed that 5-minute gap right here. See if we can push up now. Oh, that hurts. Yeah, Lewis, I understand. Been there many times myself. Okay, this buy 3 stop up here is only for my eval, not these guys. It's only for this guy. If we come up here and take him out, then he'll have a new trade. What's that in at? 606. So that's $1,200. Yeah, 3 will do it. Will it? 10, 20, 30. No, that's 60. That's another 1,200. I might have to go 4. There you go. Well, sorry, Jason, about not being able to help you. Yeah, I don't know wealth charts that well, man. I've only been doing it for 3 days or 4 days. I know just enough to be dangerous, just enough to get the orders in. And again, it took me like 2 days to figure out how to get that copier to work. And that's all I did was did what I just showed you. Now we're going to come back to VWAP, I guess. All right. Thanks, Lewis. Yeah, that'll be the question. I wouldn't mind trying an IB trade there, though. Come on. 589. Yeah, that would have been a good long. 591 on the right here. The break of this 5-minute candle would have been a good long. See if we got to get above this guy here, right around 653. I'll see about adding one on a dip. That was probably my dip. Brand new 5-minute. Brand new 15. 15 can come down to 18 if it wanted to. 618, that is. $6.18. Where would that put it? Right there. Yep. Come on, don't go too low. Oh, you son of a bitch. Breaking rules. Breaking rules. Do we want to go short here? No, it's just, it could be just a little play here. Player. Drop below the 34 EMA. We came down to test it. Tested the VWAP. Ooh! Careful on the long or careful on the short? Well, there you go. We didn't exceed the previous 15-minute candle. Gosh damn it. So careful on the long or careful on the short? Oh, Gary, careful. Well, if we drop back below the VWAP, yeah, I like it too. Let's see. We're going to go long here. Yeah, I think we come on, baby, let's go. That'll be enough. All right, I'm done. I'm going to sit out the rest of the day. I didn't do too much damage. I can recover from these. Unfortunately, my TakeProfitTrader won't be able to recover. And I could still recover 70. Which is a bummer. I was hoping for a good day today. I think we're going to go back, or we're going to go up to IB there. It'd be a Christmas miracle. All right, you guys have a good day. I'm done for the day. I'm going to sign out. And if my software wouldn't have had such a crappy morning, I think I would have had an okay day today. All right. Merry Christmas, everybody. Have a good Christmas, and we will see you Thursday, I believe. Because I don't think I'll trade tomorrow morning. I will be having breakfast with a bunch of people. So have a good good Christmas. Now I closed everything. I still think the long is a good play, but and we'll see everybody then. Yeah, man. Snapperhead. Didn't see any comments today. I'm sure I'll come back on Thursday. Yeah, I got to do some I'm actually going to do a playback this morning, right now, and find out what happened to my software, because that's not supposed to happen. So go from there. All right. Ciao. Have a good week or good thing. We'll see you guys on Thursday. Thank you. I'm just going to